Hello, good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Lorena Gisette Soriano Perdomo. I am 31 years old and live in Paipa, Boyacá, in the Pantano de Vargas district. I study administrative assistant at UNAD. I love to dance and do sport like calisthenics and jogging. My daily routine is taking my daughter to school, going to work, doing my homework, coming home, preparing food, and doing my assignments. My family and I enjoy going out to eat and watching movies. Thanks.